Hello class 2. Welcome to your English literature class children. Today we will discuss the back exercise of chapter 5 of Mulberry book. Okay, you know this is your new Mulberry book for English literature, and today in this class we will do the back exercises. Now what I will do now here is I'll give the explanation, I'll explain the question answer. I will discuss with you the question answer. Then please check the description box of this video. You will get the link and then you download the question answer that I have written for you. Clear children? Let me first explain to you the back exercises like making connection, number 1, number 2, reference to context, and number 3, read, reflect and write. Okay, so open your book at page number 64. So this is page number 64 of your book, chapter 5, and the name of the chapter is Little Red Hen, isn't it? In the previous class we have completed the chapter. So you take a pencil in your hand and we will do the first one. Now here I'll discuss with you and do in front of you so that you can also do the exercise with me. Take a pencil and open your book at page number 64. Okay, clear? Yes. First of all we will do the quick answers. Okay. See, number 1, the cat, the goose, choose the correct answers. Here you have to choose the correct answers. Options are given, so you have to select one answer. Now the cat, the goose and the rat are, okay, number 1, cheerful and helpful, sleepy and tired, lazy and selfish. So what do you think? The other farm animals like the cat, the goose and the rat, they were cheerful and helpful. Did they help the little red hen? No, isn't it? So they were all sleepy and tired. I don't think so. Always you can't be sleepy and tired. Then lazy and selfish. Yes, the third option is correct. They were very lazy and selfish also. They didn't like to help others. Okay, so you will take the third one. Okay, they were selfish and they were lazy. Okay, 1A. So answer will be the third option. Done. Now the next one, number B, little red hen. Options are, wants others to do her work. Was she lazy that she wants others to do her work? No. Then works hard. Think. Number 3, wants the farmer to give her bread. No, not at all. So number second option is correct here. The little red hen was what she used to work hard, isn't it? So the little red hen works hard. So second option is correct. Okay, this option is correct. So you will put a tick here. Clear? Now come to reference to context. The answers you will get in the description box. Okay. See the description box. In the link you will get all the question answer. Yeah, still I will explain. See, one day she found a grain of wheat. So this is what reference to context. You have to refer the text, the lines given here to the text. Okay. Now, one day she found a grain of wheat. We have got this line in the chapter. Now, A, who found a grain of wheat? Who found? The rat, the goose, or the chicks? No. Who found? The little red hen. The little red hen found a grain of wheat. Number B question is, where did she find the grain of wheat? Where did she find it? She found it on a farm, where she lived. Number C, what did she do with the grain of wheat? What did she do? Did she eat or she throw it out? No, she planted the grain of wheat. So the correct answer, the answer will be, she planted the grain of wheat, or the little red hen planted the grain of wheat. Done. Now come to page number 65. Page number 65. Number 3. Little red hen said, "Who will eat this loaf of bread?" She told na at the end, who will eat this loaf of bread? So number A question is, who was little red hen speaking to? To whom she was speaking? She was speaking to the other farm animals. Then number B, what answer did she get? What was the answer that she got from the other farm animals? She got the answer that they want to eat the loaf of bread. Isn't it? Number C, who ate the loaf of bread? Who ate? Did she give the other farm animals to eat the bread? No. Who ate them? The little red hen and her chicks. Isn't it? Next one is read, reflect and write. You have to read, you have to recall, reflect and then write the answers. So number 4 question, were the chicks helpful? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, we have seen there were many chicks, isn't it? So were they helpful or selfish? They were helpful. How do you know? Because they helped their mother to do her work, isn't it? So because they helped their mother. That is the little red hen. Question number 5. Why did little red hen not let the cat, the goose and the rat eat the bread? Why did little red hen not let the cat, the goose and the rat eat the bread? What do you think? Why? Because she understood that they were lazy and selfish too, isn't it? So you'll write the answer like this. The little red hen not let the cat, the goose and the rat, the goose and the cat to eat the loaf of bread or eat the bread because they were lazy and selfish. Okay. So this much we will do. I've given you in writing. So please go through the description box and find out the link. From there you can write it down or you can download. So you write in the CW copy properly. And children, how you will write that I also, let me tell you, after the end of every chapter I tell you, first above the margin you write the name of the chapter number. Then below that you will write, below the margin you will write the name of the chapter, that is Little Red Hen. Then you will write word meanings, and I told you how many word meanings you will learn. You will write 10, up to 10 word meanings. Okay. Then you will write the question answers like the RTCs. Then read, reflect and write. Give the question numbers properly, and when you will send those for correction, arrange them properly according to the number. Okay, arrange them according to the number, then you send it to me. Don't send in a haphazard way. Okay, so we will discuss up to this for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.